Hey everyone! So today we're going to do a Boilermaker on a 14 by 14 canvas. We are using the base paint mix. That link for that video is below, how to mix, and the smaller shot glass, not the tall one today. And we are using Lukas paints today, so you can see how well they work in this. So this Creative Inspirations is mixed much thinner than this. So as we're pouring and tilting, these paints will make their appearance easier because the white will be flowing much faster. So we're going to start with the Lukas Gold Bronze. This was a new color that I got. Love it. And we'll follow that with Lukas Indigo. This is another one of my favorite colors from Lukas Cryl. This is Lukas Steel Blue. That'll just tone it down just a little bit. And then on top of that, we're going to use the Silver Bronze from Lukas. And I'm going to do another layer. We want to fill this shot glass up with color. I might be able to get all the way through there. Why not, right? Top it off. Okay. So now if you've been watching my channel, you know that the Boilermaker has been so much fun for us. So now we're just going to take this cup and plop it in there. And of course it sinks to the bottom because it's a heavy weighted shot glass. So now we'll just take this and do a flip cup. Did you hear it? I heard it. I need to get something here for focusing so we don't lose our screen. So I already know that is down. I did not spray this cup because I don't want any additional cells. So we'll let some of this paint out. It's going to be pretty. The indigo loves to pull a little purple because it's like an ink pen where you get some of the purple. The top of this shot glass is amazing. Look at this. Isn't that cool? So we will push this off. Which way do I want to go with it? So those cells will be down there. And I'm going to let some of this color out. And I'll take the shot glass off. Let's torch it. Oh, there they are. Trying to get those 3 little air bubbles in the middle. They don't want to pop, so we'll stretch it out. All right, so we have all our paint together. And because the base paint is thinner, it will come off the canvas much quicker. I don't want to lose all the cell action that I brought up. Of course, it's folding over because we did not have a base. I love the negative space with these Boilermaker pours because it draws your eye to the color. And that's really what we were intending to do, is place color inside of this paint. But I love how we get the little added, I call them added benefits of what leaks out of that shot glass into the white. Okay, got some pretty runoff too that I might be able to pull some skins to make jewelry. I'm just going to balance it just a little bit without losing too much. I think that's going to be it. All my edges are covered. So now we'll torch again and we'll watch more cells come up. I'm getting a lot of little ones coming here. Very pretty. I like that marbly effect we got over here in the corner. I think that's going to be it. We don't need to pull that much more out. So check out the Lukas Cryl paints. They're available on Jerry's Artorama. The prices are great on Jerry's. Very affordable for high quality paints. Let me give you a close-up. So I will put the link below that will take you directly to the Lukas Cryl page. And also, well, I got a little distracted there. It's so pretty. And there'll also be a link below that'll take you directly just to Jerry's, so you'll have two links there. So I love this. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please click below. Hit that bell for notifications. You'll be notified when we upload a new video. Click like and share, leave a comment. Join us on our Facebook group, the Porage Posse. We have lots of very talented artists there that are always willing to help. And check out my art page, Christina Welch Art, on Facebook as well. If you're interested in paintings, we have those on our Etsy shop. It's where you can go in, and I'm always running sales here and there. So enjoy, and we will see you all on the next one. Bye now.